How to download Stickone Magazine. First, search this. Then click it. Wait to cover. Then wait. Then click this. Then you're gonna go there. See this. Then go. Go to this. Click in. And click it again. Click this. Click this again. You click again. Then you go to another. Click the download. AFK button. Do what I do again until you go and download. Go that like that link. Then click again this download and do it what I do again. Then you're gonna go. It's a human. You can use it. Click it. Then just it. And fun. Click. Then it's a human. Do this what I do again. And you want click it. You will fine. Then go and download file. download not starting this. And you want to see the one now. Let's see. After finish, click your download. Wait. And done. And open it. Let's wait. You can see this. Then click get the code. And wait. I'm gonna go to code here. Click here. Then wait again. Click it again. And do what I do. And you can't stop. Click what I do again. Look like this. Then wait. Click it again. Go to destination. And here this is the deposit. Click open. Wait and 10 seconds. Then gonna scroll down. Here for the app. Then click the count step 2. And okay done. Click I do. Then open and wait. Then also this happened. Click over buttons. Then click it again. And okay is done. Then click this. Click that or this. And you copy this. You copy this. You wanna click copy and come to your game. Then enter the code. Then wait. Then I will show you how to open it. And now you can see the screen. You can see the screen open. If you when you open it, you can see this. And see oh, it's here. Then see this. Right? Anyway.